How do we isolate linguistic variables in slang? Imagine trying to find all the different ways people say the same thing in a language. That's what isolating linguistic variables in slang is all about. It's like spotting different flavors of the same ice cream. When people use slang, they often choose from a set of words or phrases that mean the same thing but sound different depending on who they are or where they are. To find these, we start by looking for words that share the same core meaning but are used differently. For example, words like cool, lit, fire, and sick all show excitement or approval. They are variants of a linguistic variable because they serve the same purpose but are chosen based on social or cultural factors. Next, we check if these words fit into the same sentence structure. If they can all be used as adjectives to describe something positive, that shows they are part of the same pattern. For example, you can say that movie was cool or that party was lit, and both work the same way. We also pay attention to who is using these words. Younger people might prefer lit, while older groups might stick with cool. This social aspect helps us see which variants are linked to specific groups or situations. Then, we look at how the surrounding words or grammar influence the choice. Some slang words only work with certain verbs or phrases. If the choice depends on sentence structure, it's a linguistic constraint. If it depends on who is speaking or their background, it's a social constraint. Finally, we gather real examples from conversations, social media, or interviews. This helps us see how often each variant is used and in what context. By doing this, we can confirm that these different words are part of a real pattern in language, not just random choices. So, in simple terms, isolating linguistic variables in slang involves finding words that mean the same but are used differently, checking if they fit the same language pattern, understanding how social factors influence their use, and collecting real-world examples. This process helps us see how slang evolves and spreads among different groups over time.